So let's look at what digital workspace is. Digital workspace is a very new thought. It's a comprehensive integrated technology framework which is designed to provide employees with secure anytime anywhere access to tools, applications, information they need to perform their work effectively. So it combines different digital tools and platforms to create a unified user-friendly environment that enhances productivity, collaboration, and flexibility. So these are the main aspects of digital workspace. It's basically making you available a workspace where you are completely mobile. You just need internet and all the tools which you need for working are on your laptop. So that's basically a digital workspace. So the main component of digital workspace is unified access, that is single sign-on, that is SSO capabilities that allow users to access multiple applications and services with just one set of credentials. That is, you sign in once, and then the whole set of applications and tools are available. This could be that once you sign into a remote server or a remote system, then all the applications are installed there. Then you are able to access and work from your desktop or laptop. Collaboration tools, platforms for communication and collaboration such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, or Google Workspace, and file sharing and collaborative document editing tools like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. So these are the collaboration tools where you share files, share document, and talk with each other. Microsoft Teams is like you communicate with each other. Slack, you exchange a lot of information, code, and stuff. And Google Workspace is also a similar platform for communication and collaboration. File sharing, you use Google Drive, OneDrive and Dropbox. These are some things. And also, if you note, Microsoft application stores or everything in OneDrive, in your OneDrive, if you're having a computer, laptop, or from the company. If you see in Teams, if you share some file, it stores that file in your workspace, that is in your OneDrive. So this is what we call collaboration tools in terms of digital workspace. So virtual desktops are VDI solutions that provide secure access to desktop environments from any device. So these cloud-based desktops that ensure users can access their work environment from anywhere. So virtual desktops are nothing but you just have a laptop or a computer here and you just remote log in to another system. And cloud-based desktops means that cloud is nothing but a remote sort of a server or a computer where all your applications are running. And this is what we call cloud desktops. And the users can access their work environment from anywhere. So this is what we call virtual desktops. So as for cloud services, integration with cloud platforms such as Microsoft Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud for scalable on-demand computing resources. So the cloud storage solutions for accessible and secure data storage. As I said before, cloud platforms, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, provide you a way of storing your data somewhere in remote computer, and this can be accessed anywhere. This is what we call cloud services, and cloud storage solutions are accessible, and it's also nowadays become very secure, and that's why we have a lot of talk about cyber security, because all the data is remotely stored, so we need to secure the way you access it and store it. So these are the cloud services in terms of digital workspace. So productivity applications, office productivity suites like Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, and other specialized software tools relevant for business. So these are productivity in the sense like which makes you productive. So Microsoft Word lets you write document, PowerPoint, you create nice presentations. Jira, you store requirements, you store bug error reports and all these things. And then you have Confluence, where you store internal company data, which is only visible for so these are all some of the productivity tools which helps an organization improve, share information for their development. So as for security and compliance, robust security measures including multi-factor authentication, encryption, and regular security updates, compliance with industry standards and regulations to ensure data protection and privacy. So this is the security which we need, that is multi-factor authentication. Is you authenticate your login with multi-factor, that is you have a password and login, and then you will be sent a code on your mobile, and then the data is also encrypted, and regular security updates are important for security measures, and compliance with industry standards and regulations, because the standards provide you a way so that you have systems and software and IT systems which adhere to this compliance. So once you are adhere to this compliance, then you have already a data protected and privacy ensured. So this is why you have company compliance to industry standards, security and compliance. So device management, device management MDM, and enterprise mobile management EMM solutions to manage and secure mobile devices and applications. So these policies and tools to manage both company owned and personal devices, BYOD. So device management is what we are discussing about it, which is policies how to manage mobile devices, and also how we manage the enterprise mobile management. And automation and AI automation tools to streamline workflows, reduce manual tasks, and enhance operational efficiency. And AI driven analytics and insights to inform decision making and optimize work process. So this is some of the aspects in digital workspace. That is, you have to think about automating things and using AI in new technologies, and how you can streamline workflows. You need to find the processes and see how you can apply AI in reducing the manual tasks or automating things and enhancing the operational efficiency. For this, you will need some tools, or AI tools or other software tools. And data analytics, AI driven analytics, is like you will accumulate a lot of data in the company, and this data could be valuable for making decision making or optimize the work process. It could be any data, at the data of the employees or the customers. So all these data can be accumulated, and that's where AI helps. AI helps in accumulating or accessing this whole data and processing it very quickly. So that's where automation and AI comes in the digital workspace. As for user experience, a focus on creating seamless, intuitive user experience, ensuring that tools are necessary to use and accessible, personalization options to tailor the digital workspace according to the individual user needs and preference. So user needs is like, if you have a digital workspace, in the sense the tools and the IT systems, it has to be having a very good user interface, user experience. So there's no point in setting up an IT system or employing a software system which is very hard to use. For example, I had worked on some other automotive projects where they used a tool which was used for requirements management. It was very hard to use. So many employees complained about this system, and such things, personalization options should be there, for that you have a tool and it can be personalized to different sectors or different countries and different cultural needs. So this is what also we need to think about when we are designing a digital workspace, which is catered or configured according to the individual needs. And integration capabilities, integration with existing enterprise systems such as CRM, ERP, and other business applications, APIs and connectors to ensure different tools and platforms work together smoothly. So integration means like you will have different systems, right? Any company might have software systems, IT systems, hardware, software, printer, anything. So all these systems have to work together. So such as CRM, ERP, and business applications. Then APIs and connectors to ensure different tools work. APIs are application program interface, and connectors, that is, every system should have a possibility or interface so that it can connect with other systems. That way, any different company, different IT systems or software employed in any company could work together. So this interface, if it's not there, then two systems will be working parallel to each other, and they will not. It will be very hard to exchange data between two different systems inside a company. So any system integration capabilities are very important. Providing interfaces, when you're buying any IT system or software for a company, then you should first check if they have interface to other systems so that you can exchange data. So that is about integration capabilities. So by integrating these components, digital workspace aims to provide a cohesive, efficient working environment that supports remote work, enhances collaboration, and ensures secure access to necessary resources. So this transformation is very important for modern businesses looking to stay competitive and adaptable and to the increasing world. Just take an example, Microsoft previous like before 10-15 years, Microsoft was a very closed company. That is, they basically, there were a lot of litigations against Microsoft that they were protective their technology, example Internet Explorer, and they were forcing people to use only their tools in the work environment. But then after, there was a transformation, and then Microsoft became a sort of a platform where everyone can play their own part. Every system, every company can, and they become more interface oriented. They let other systems, and they also supported other systems. It made Microsoft even more powerful. So that way, digital workspace is something which is every company has to think about, because we are now living in an age of AI and remote workspace. The way we work is transforming, so that means that this work also has to be mobile. People like to work from home, people like to work from different places, and also some like to work from offices. So that way it becomes a challenging thing to transform a company into a digital company providing digital services and digital workspace. So about us, KM Tech Limited is a UK-based company. We are based in London and Birmingham in the United Kingdom. We provide IT software services for the United Kingdom and the European regions, and we have done a lot of projects for the German customers and the United Kingdom on variety of fields like IT system software services, networking support, embedded programming, also requirements management, automotive, aerospace sector, and also for the other sectors. So please feel free to contact us for any training or coaching needs, or IT software support, or any project support which you might need. Thank you for selecting this course. Do leave a review and a positive feedback, and if you have any questions, do contact us. We will be able to help you. Thank you.